Whoa, yeah. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Whoa. Hell yeah, guys, what's up? I gotta do a couple little errands for work, so decided to do some recording on some snow-covered roads. Most of the roads are what's the word I'm looking for? Clear, yeah, that's it. Whee! Should get some pretty good traction in this stuff. You just gotta rip it and hope for the best. Whoa, oh, I can't stop. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. That was fun. I got no objections. Oh, snowbanks? Snowbanks, eh? Let's try, guys. Nope. Oh. Whew. Now remember, I bought this bike just for the winter. My other bike is a Honda VTX 1300, which is, back on the move again in the snow with the Navi. Oh, I bloody love this Navi. I might be able to get away with doing this with the VTX, but I probably would have died by now. Oh, totally snow covered, yeah. Oh, uphill on pack stuff. Yeah, we got this, guys. Oh yeah, we got this. Oh yeah. Oh, better take my VIP parking. Oh, there's a hill. I might not be able to make it up. Doing some off-roading with the Navi in the wintertime? Why not, guys? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Tipsy and I used to always fly down this trail. Oh, what the heck's back here? That looks like a cabin. Oh, no, it's just whoa. I'm not paying attention to what's on the ground. Almost ran into a stump. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a big hill up here. Oh, a statue. There never used to be freaking... Okay, this is the hill I'm scared of. Oh, we did it, guys. Oh, this is another hill I'm scared of. We know TRIPPY going down hills in the wintertime usually faults in running into trees.
I can't walk down the driveway without being out of breath. Oh, you got her. He's sliding. I thought you were going for it there. Got it. Look at this. The first ever downhill. Oh, God.
No word of a lie. Oh, that was pretty fun. Make sure you subscribe because you could see me wipe out. Wee-hee. Over here. Wait. Oh. Woohoo. Aha. You can't get me in trouble for riding on the bike path because I'm not on the bike path. Ooh. That's a roughening. A roughening? Is that even a word? It is now, guys. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, whoa, yeah. Whoa, oh, God. This is great. Oh. Oh, Oh, it's getting hot in my helmet. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Now, if you want to experience this with a Navi, go buy a Navi, but, you know, it's not going to be just riding. You do make a little workout. Wee-haw. As you see, it's all fun and games until you fall and lose a cell phone. Uh-oh, it looks like they moved these bricks closer together. I got it, I'm on Navi. Oh, right here. I want to go skinny spot. Snowbank? Oh, I got no traction. There we go. Whew. Yeah, we did it, guys. We made it in no frills. Nobody died as of yet. Oh. Okay, now it's time to go back to work. Ooh. Yeehaw. Oh, but that way's so fun. Oh, but you know, maybe I'll go this way. Why not? Oh, she's icy. That's a for sure thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Whew. Whoa, off. Hey, that's a I didn't know that. Whoa. Yeehaw. Oh, down, down, down. Oh, almost went down. Trying not to go down. Don't want to flatten my bread. Oh. Yeehaw. Okay. Back to the roadway, guys. Oh, I love this Navi. Great investment. So happy. And my VTX can do this? So can my little bike. Okay. So yeah. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay riding. Cheers, y'all.